In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your current position on LinkedIn. Whether you're updating your profile with a new job, taking a break, or just tidying up your online presence, getting the experience section right helps your profile tell the story you want. Start by opening your browser and heading to linkedin.com. When the page loads, sign into your account. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner and click your profile photo. From the menu that opens, choose View Profile. This takes you to the public-facing version of your profile, the place where you can review and refine what others see when they visit. Scroll down until you reach the Experience section. You'll see a list of your current and past roles. Find the position you want to remove or update and click the small pencil icon next to that job title. This opens the editor for that specific entry, so you can make precise changes without touching the rest of your profile. If you want to completely remove the job from your profile, select the option to delete the experience. LinkedIn will show a confirmation message to make sure this is really what you want. Confirm by clicking Delete again. Remember, deleting an entry hides it entirely from your profile, which can be useful if the role no longer reflects your goals. If your aim is only to stop it from showing as your current role, there's a better approach. Instead of deleting, uncheck the box that says you currently work in this role. That keeps the job in your history but stops it from appearing as your active position. If an end date isn't already set, LinkedIn may prompt you to add one. Choose the date that best reflects your timeline so your work history remains clear and consistent for anyone reviewing your profile. When you're finished making changes, click Save to apply them. Your profile updates right away, so you should see the removed role or the adjusted listing immediately. If the change doesn't appear at first, give the page a moment to refresh. It's also a good time to scan the rest of your experience section for accuracy, checking titles and dates so everything aligns. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully updated your LinkedIn experience section. Keeping this area accurate ensures that recruiters, colleagues, and new connections get a clear picture of where you are in your career journey. Thanks for